Jai Srimanarayana. 17th sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapastat trividham naraihi aphala कांक्षिभिः युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते. ॐ perform all your divine activities and austerities as a service to Sri Krishna Paramatma, and make sure you have faith and devotion to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform all my divine activities and austerities as a service to you. O Srimanarayana, I shall keep on making sure that I have faith and devotion towards you. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. O Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava, I shall obey all your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 349th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopikas requested Krishna Paramatma to give their clothes back. Then Bhagavan saying like this, O my dear Gopikas, Bhavatyo yedime dasyo mayoktam va karishyadha. If you are all really my servants, you have to do whatever I said, whatever I ask you to do. Now what you need to do now is अत्र आगत्य स्ववासांसि प्रतीच्छत शुचिस्मिताः. With a great amount of love and smiling face, innocent face, you have to come out of the water, come to me and take away your clothes. If you do not do what I said, I will never give you your clothes. Even if you complain to king, the king cannot do anything to me. Like that, when Krishna said, all the Gopikas started talking to each other like this. Kondaru vedalu damanduru kondaru vedalutayu siggugonu govindudanduru kondaru tamalo kondalamanduduru vadakugoni manujendra. All the Gopikas were shivering in that cold water, and some Gopikas says, yes, let us do whatever Krishna asking us to do. Let us come out of this water. But some of the Gopikas said, if we come out of this water, he will definitely make us feel ashamed. And some of the Gopikas were unable to decide what to do. Anyway, finally, slowly, Gopikas, while hiding themselves, came out of the water. Krishna Paramatma has seen and realized the amount of love all the Gopikas has towards Krishna. And Skandhe Nidhaya, Krishna Paramatma put all their cloths on his shoulder, and while giving a nice smile to all the Gopikas, Krishna Paramatma saying like this. What Krishna is saying, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 17th sloka. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapastatrividham naraihi aphalakankshibhiryuktaihi सात्विकं परिचक्षते. श्रद्धया परया तप्तं तपस्तत्त्रिविधं नरैः अफलाकाङ्क्षिभिर्युक्तैः सात्विकं परिचक्षते. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.